Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find your Windows 10 product key in just a few simple steps. No third-party tools, no confusion, just quick, reliable steps you can follow right now. So grab your PC and let's get started. And here is what you should do. Go to the search bar and type CMD, okay? And then navigate to command prompt. Place your mouse and then go for run as administrator. I will go for yes. Then when the command prompt opens, what you have to do is to type this command. I will leave the command on the description section, okay? So this is what you should type: wmic space part space software licensing service space get space OA3X original product key. Then hit enter and wait for it to show up. Here we go. You can now see your product key, and that's it. Now you know exactly how to find your Windows 10 product key, quick and easy. If this helped you, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tech guides. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one, and God bless you.